Want to make extra money fast in 2026 without quitting your job? I'm going to show you 5 easy side hustles anyone can start right now. No skills, no experience, no big investment needed. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple side hustles you can start in 2026, no matter your experience or skills. These ideas are perfect for beginners and can fit into your schedule anytime you want. Side hustle number 1, delivery apps. First, delivery apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Postmates. You can work mornings, evenings, or weekends, totally flexible. Most drivers earn between $15 and $25 per hour, and you don't need anything special except a car, scooter, or even a bicycle in some cities. It's a great way to make extra money while staying active and independent. Side hustle number 2, selling used items online. Next, selling items on Facebook Marketplace or other online platforms. People buy almost anything, from old phones and electronics to furniture and tools. You can earn $100 to $300 weekly simply by clearing in used items from your home. It's quick, easy, and a great way to declutter while making cash. Side hustle number 3, online micro-tasks. Third, online micro-tasks through platforms like Clickworker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Remo Tasks. You'll get paid for simple tasks like labeling images, verifying data, or completing short surveys. This side hustle is ideal for beginners who want to make money in their free time, and it doesn't require any prior experience. Side hustle number 4, freelancing small gigs. Fourth, freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. You don't need big skills. Many beginners earn money by doing simple tasks such as logo designing, data entry, background removal, social media posting, or typing resumes. Even new freelancers can make $10 to $25 per hour, and the more you grow, the higher your earnings. Side hustle number 5, teaching English online. And finally, teaching English online through platforms like Cambly. No teaching experience is required, you just need to speak clearly and help students improve their English. You can earn around $10 to $12 per hour while chatting with students from around the world, all from the comfort of your home. So there you have it, 5 simple side hustles you can start in 2026. Whether you want extra cash, more flexibility, or a new way to earn from home, these options are perfect for beginners. If you want more tips on money, online earning, and side hustles, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.